Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. Today, we will continue our Do-It-Yourself Reupholstery series, Project 1, the making of a Glam throne chair. If you missed the amazing chair repair in the last video, check the link in the iCard located at the top right-hand corner of your screen. I will also leave thumbnail links at the end of this video. Now let's get started with part 2 of this project. How to strip, removing upholstery fabric from an antique chair. Instead of just ripping this chair apart, I am carefully removing each section in order to use the old upholstery fabric as a pattern to cut the new fabric. I also plan to reuse the old cotton batting. you are enjoying the journey of this glam chair in the making. And to encourage you to stay tuned, here's a sneak peek of the items that will be used to complete the special wood treatment in part 3. A big shout out to all new subscribers. So excited to have you here. If you're new to this channel, click that red subscribe button and join the family as we head toward our goal of 1,000 subscribers by 2020. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you may be informed each time a new video is uploaded. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.